Brest, one of the most westerly places in Europe. Here, Panasonic has signed an agreement with the French housebuilder Tricobat BBC for the supply and installation of Aquarea heat pump systems. Tricobat is a company building around 1,000 houses a year in France. We have invested significantly in designing and building energy-efficient homes. In this way, we're giving our consumers back their purchasing power. For some time now, Tricobat has been collaborating with Panasonic using the company's Aquarea heat pump to make these energy savings possible in our properties. The Panasonic Aquarea heat pump used the air around us as a renewable and plentiful energy source to heat or cool your home in a green and cost-efficient way. A good reason for Panasonic Europe's CEO, Laurent Abadi, to have a look how work is progressing.
Hello from Brittany, western part of France. Here, with our partner, we are helping the local family to get the best of the technology in terms of green innovation. So now, let's have a look.
In this project, 700 Tricobat houses will use the Panasonic innovation.
Welcome to one of the biggest construction operations that we have so far with Tricobat.
Thank you very much.
The Panasonic Aquarea heat pump is the most comprehensive, versatile and cost-effective heating system on the market.
The connection that we established in between the heat pump and the flooring system which is heating the house.
It's very impressive to see all those pipes around the house.
It connects all the house and heats all the house from here.
Very, very good.
But how does the Panasonic Aquarea heat pump actually work? The heat pump takes the energy in the air and converts it to either heat or cool the home and to produce hot water. Panasonic offers two types of construction: split units for installation in cold areas, or monoblock units for simple and space-saving installation. Within the heat pump, air full of energy is pushed through the air heat exchanger by the fan. From there, the energy is fed into a highly efficient compressor. Then this energy passes through the water heat exchanger, which converts the energy into hot or cold water to heat or cool the home. Even Panasonic domestic hot water tanks from 200 litres to 500 litres can be connected to the system to efficiently produce sanitary hot water. The Aquarea heat pump can be used with underfloor heating or radiators, or to chill the home by cooling the water and connecting it to the air conditioning. In combination with a Panasonic domestic hot water tank, you can even heat water for the home in an efficient way. Last but not least, by connecting your heat pump to Panasonic solar panels, you can store energy from the day and use this to heat or cool your home in the evening. You can even control the heat pump with a smartphone. Another green and smart innovation powered by Panasonic.
So, Mehdi, I want to introduce you the integration of the heat pump in our houses. The Panasonic heat pump is a key point in the sustainable house project that we are developing. We aim to reach the standard of the green houses, and thanks to the monoblock Panasonic heat pump, we have reached this level.
Very good. That's very interesting and very well and nicely integrated. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The Panasonic Aquarea heat pump is extremely efficient, saving up to 78% on customers' fuel bills. Panasonic CEO speaks to one family already benefiting from the product.
Bonjour.
May I ask you why you've chosen such a house offered by Tricobat? Because they're the leaders for low-consumption houses in France. What do Panasonic heat pumps bring you? We've noticed a very big reduction in our energy bills, and this is a green technology.
Well, I think this is a new step in our journey to become #1 green innovation company. And as we say in French, parler c'est bien, agir c'est mieux, which means talking is sometimes good, but execution, action is much more important, and this is what here we are demonstrating today. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Panasonic aims to become the world's leading green innovation company by 2018. On the way to reach this goal, every product matters and every step counts. The Aquarea heat pump, another eco idea made by Panasonic. Panasonic, ideas for life.